The following is a paid program for the Vector vacuum cleaning system presented by Mediacom. Vector, made in Germany, simply the best. All across the world, people are taking a Vector challenge. By first cleaning with their old vacuum, and then with the remarkable new Vector Vac with water filter. And you won't believe what they picked up.
I can't even believe. This is so disgusting. What is that junk in there?
This is disgusting. I can't believe. Yesterday we vacuumed with our other vacuum.
That's what my vacuum left behind? What a difference with Vector.
What is this? I can't even believe.
Stay tuned and see why Vector is the best vacuum cleaner. Introducing German Vector Vac with water filter. A vacuum so powerful, so effective, so ingeniously designed, it's truly the last vacuum you'll ever need to buy. Old-fashioned vacuums with clogged, dirty filters can be breeding grounds for germs and bacteria, and a serious health threat to your family. Whether your traditional vacuum has a bag or canister, they all have a few internal filters. As these filters trap more and more dirt, they begin to clog. Their airflow slows down and your vacuum can easily leave dirt and debris behind. Even worse, unless the filters are cleaned or replaced on a regular basis, every time you turn on your vacuum, it can release dirt and toxins into the air through its exhaust. But the German vacuum, Vector, is built on new technology that uses an advanced water filtration system with no more paper or synthetic filters to clog. Dirt and debris are powerfully sucked and captured in the water. Just pour the dirt away, then refill the basin with clean water, and you're ready to tackle the next job. Your hands never touch the mess, and potentially harmful particles don't enter the air you breathe.
We are a big family and we have a dog. You can imagine that mess in the house. Children are small, constantly playing on the floor. In the kitchen, it is always messy. The floor is full of crumbs, and every day someone spills something. We have allergy problems in the family, and it's very important that the house is clean, especially the floors and the couch where we spend free time. Every family with children should have Vector. The price is very favorable compared to what Vector offers, and because kids are always on the floor, so I think it's awesome. Vector is worth every penny, and I would never change it for any other vac. My husband likes vacuuming with Vector because it is so easy to use, and he likes to use it to clean his car on weekends. Vector is very easy to use. I love it. I pour clean water, I vacuum. Later, I simply pour dirty water into the toilet bowl and rinse the tank. It's so easy. Vector's completely changed my life. The house is always clean. I'm very happy. Vector is the best vac. I don't get upset when something is spilled because the Vector vacuums liquids. That is very useful in the bathroom as there is always some water on the floor, around the wash basin. I love to drip a few drops of essential oil because the house smells wonderfully. Sometimes I put vanilla, sometimes lavender. That's wonderful.
Vector uses fresh, clean water every time, and it easily converts from the best vacuum to an air purifier. With a Vector vacuum cleaner, at the same time you can vacuum dust and dirt as well as refresh the air in your home. Just pour a few drops of essential oil into a water tank and your home will smell refreshing all day long. Can your vacuum do that? The Vector vacuum cleaner comes with a clogged drain attachment. Forget about clogged sinks, wash basins, and drains full of hair. The Vector vacuum picks up wet spills too. Can your vacuum do that? The Vector Vac goes where others can't, and it's built to last. Vector Vac is made in Germany. The strength of the Vector vacuum cleaner is in its powerful 1500 bi-turbo engine.
When I saw on an infomercial that Vector Vac is manufactured in Germany, I immediately knew that's the best quality. I love using Vector because it's very simple. I don't have to change attachments, I just turn on and go. We never had such simple and so high quality vacuum. I was amazed by Vector's suction power. When the other vacuum fills a dust bag, it loses suction power, but Vector swallows everything. Vector is unstoppable, and no matter how many times you vacuum, it's always as powerful as the first time. Vector's great advantage is liquid suction. Vector vacuums everything in its way. It's ingenious. Vector unclogs drains, and that's a huge advantage. It's ideal for clogged wash basins and sinks. I save a lot of money on plumbers. While I vacuumed with a vac that had paper dust bag, all the dust came out again from the vacuum cleaner and returned to the room. But now with Vector, the air is clean, and thanks to the essential oil, the whole area smells nice.
The Vector vacuum with water filter is sold for years on over $600. But you won't pay $600 or $500 or even $400. Call now and order today your Vector at the sensational price of just 6 easy payments of $59. That's half off the retail price. But if you call right now, we'll take off 2 payments. You'll pay just 4 payments of $59. You heard that right. But wait, this deal gets even better. We'll upgrade your Vector to our professional model at no additional charge. You'll get this one-of-a-kind upholstery brush, liquid suction attachment, the crevice tool to get those hard-to-reach messes, versatile tool to clean all surfaces, dry and wet, and clog drain attachment. That's a $70 upgrade, absolutely free. Order Vector, a house cleaning miracle everyone is talking about. Have you ever experienced a loss of cleaning power with your vacuum? Have you ever chased around that same little piece of debris around your home and you couldn't even pick up that? The real problem is when those filters in the vacuums begin to clog with the dust, they rapidly lose their pickup power. And you toss them out, right? The Vector vac has no hidden filters that can be clogged with dust, so it doesn't lose pickup power. Vector's advanced technology uses a new water filtration system, and all dust and dirt are trapped in the water. Whether it's the first time, 100 times, or the 1,000th time you use Vector, you'll always get the same cleaning power.
I had a big problem with that old dust bag vacuum cleaner. During vacuuming, the smell of dust and my pet felt a lot. I had to open windows and ventilate my apartment after vacuuming. I have a big dog, and of course the flat is full of dog hair. That's why it is important for me that the Vector vacuum with water filter system can pick up hair from the floor and couch. Now my home is always clean in minutes. Vector is also an air purifier. I love that. I just pour a few drops of essential oil into the water tank, and Vector spreads a very pleasant smell. When you enter in my apartment, you can't feel that a dog lives here. It smells so nice. You can literally smell the difference.
Research has shown that unhealthy, disgusting dust mites are present all around us, especially in warm and humid places, such as mattresses, couches, and carpets. They can cause allergies, especially in young children. Vector vacuum with water filter thoroughly and deeply cleanses all the surfaces in your home. It's ideal for thoroughly vacuuming of couches and mattresses. Thanks to the Vector water filter vacuum, you'll never have additional investment in expensive dust bags. No more dirty hands or dust inhalation from which you sneeze and cough.
My child is very allergic to dust. The pediatrician warned me that it is very important spending time in a clean, dust-free area. That's why I chose Vector. It is produced in Germany, which guarantees quality. That's well known. By choosing Vector, you will not make a mistake. You will sleep peacefully knowing that your home is clean. No dust mites, no dirt, no bacteria, no dangerous allergens. Most people spend 8 hours every night in the bedroom, so it is very important that it's clean. Vector makes that possible. My home is cleaned by Vector. That's why I'm so happy and carefree. Vector saves time and money. It's very easy to use, always at my hand, and I no longer have to spend money on disposable dust bags. Vector has much better suction power than other vacs. It thoroughly cleans floors, carpets, furniture, even mattresses. Now we breathe purified air and we can play on the floor without worry. Every mom should have the Vector. It's great. Vector is ideal for allergic persons, asthmatics, and smokers too, because it's also an air purifier. I pour a few drops of eucalyptus or mint essential oil, and the air is fresh. The Vector is the best vacuum cleaner ever.
The Vector works on any surface, straight from tiles right on through to the carpeting, no changing attachments. That's never easier vacuuming. With the unique universal attachment right on through the carpet on the hardwood in a single move. The revolutionary and genius Vector Water Filter Vacuum Cleaner can literally clean any mess in your home, dry or even wet. Vector vacuums what you cannot imagine with another vacuum cleaner. Look at this! Spilled coffee, spilled juice, all gone into the water tank. Spilled milk, broken egg together with an eggshell. If you try this with your vacuum at home, what would happen? It would probably blow up. Don't even try. Vector easily vacuums breakfast leftovers from your baby. That's what every parent should have. And if you want to clean up the hose, you simply just vacuum some clean water. Can your vacuum do that? This is the dirty secret a billion-dollar vacuum industry doesn't want you to know. Even bagless vacuums use up to 5 filters that over time clog with dirt. This severely restricts airflow, drastically reducing the vacuum's effectiveness and shortening its lifespan. Traditional vacuums can be breeding grounds for germs and bacteria. Unless the filters are cleaned and replaced regularly, every time you turn on your vacuum, it can release dirt and toxins into the air, potentially getting you sick and polluting the very house you are trying to clean. Introducing the German vacuum cleaner, Vector, with water filtration, a vacuum so powerful, so effective, it's the last vacuum you'll ever need to buy. Why? It only uses the natural cleansing power of water. There are no more clogged filters. Instead, dirt and debris are powerfully sucked into the vacuum. Vector uses fresh, clean water every time. And it easily converts from the world's best vacuum into a powerful air purifier. With a Vector vacuum cleaner, you can simultaneously vacuum dust and dirt as well as refresh the air in your home. Just pour a few drops of essential oil into water. Relaxing lavender, refreshing eucalyptus, irresistible vanilla or tropical fruit, and your home will smell refreshing all day long. This is an ideal solution for smokers' homes or if you have an unpleasant smell of pets. Can your vacuum do that? One of the amazing advantages of Vector is an exceptional suction power which unclogs drains. You don't have to spend money on a plumber every time when the drain clogs. With a special clog drain attachment, you can, by yourself, suck up accumulated waste in your sink. If you order your Vector today, you'll get a clog drain attachment with no additional charge. That's awesome, isn't it? So say goodbye to filthy canisters and dirty filters. Vector Vac picks up wet spills too. Can your vacuum do that? The Vector Vac goes where others can't. It's built to last and it's made in Germany. The strength of the Vector vacuum cleaner is in its powerful 1500 bi-turbo engine. How much would you pay for a total cleaning system as revolutionary as the Vector Vac? The Vector vacuum with water filter is sold for years on over $600. But you won't pay $600 or $500 or even $400. Call now and order today your Vector at the sensational price of just 6 easy payments of $59. That's half off the retail price. But if you call right now, we'll take off 2 payments. You'll pay just 4 easy payments of $59. You heard that right. But wait, this deal gets even better. We'll upgrade your Vector to our professional model at no additional charge. You'll get this one-of-a-kind upholstery brush, liquid suction attachment, the crevice tool to get those hard-to-reach messes, versatile tool to clean all surfaces, dry and wet, and clog drain attachment. That's a $70 upgrade, absolutely free. Order today your Vector, the last vacuum you'll ever need to buy.